Uh, One issue was raised regarding Food Security Act. In fact, in 2004, under Manmohan Singh, Dr. Manmohan Singh, when we had taken responsibility to run the show, that time the food situation in the country was quite serious. In fact, I recollect as the then food minister, I had to import wheat and rice from some of the countries. That was the situation. But Dr. Manmohan Singh said today, we took a challenge. We had grown better prices essentially for communities. Then we have provided fertilizer, seeds, and all other activities. And until this situation was changed, after 10 years, when we had
अमृत नोनी गॅस्ट्रिन अपचन ऍसिडिटी गॅस्ट्रबल ह्यापैकी तुम्हाला कुठलाही गॅस्ट्रिक प्रॉब्लेम झाला उपाय एकच अमृत नोनी गॅस्ट्रिन
handed power to the new people. India was a self-sufficient in food security. India became the largest producer, second largest producer of the wheat in the world. India becomes the largest producer of rice in the world. That was the situation which in our regime ultimately we resolved. And at that time only, this issue which was raised by Khalilji just now regarding Food Security Act that was introduced in the Parliament and that was unanimously passed. So whatever Mr. Modi might be saying today, that we have taken this major decision, that is not at all correct. This decision was taken by previous government and the food security situation has been substantially improved with the initiative from farming community and government. Thank you.